Talk about the Triumph motorcycle. It's crazy how well we've contained it. It's been a well-kept secret. Seen all the rumors, heard all the rumors. It's time for me to show you how real this thing is. Can't wait for you to see it.
And that was Ricky Carmichael over a month ago at this point. I made a video about this bike July 30th is when I put it out. And we are now September 2nd as I'm recording this. And we finally got these. The 72p super supposedly like spy camera. Oh my god, I can't take these pictures and nobody's supposed to see these, and they are absolutely horrible. This bike has been rumored for so long. There has been a video, I think like that right there 3 or 4 months ago now, of somebody riding what was supposedly the Triumph dirt bike in actual, running form. And since then, we've seen the frame. That was the big reveal about a month ago, that there was this thing of, them coming out, or him saying, like he did, hey, I'm fully ready to show you. And these were some, I don't know if they were leaked or if they were like supposed AI creation, pictures, whatever. But it's taken this long to just see a frame, and I think they showed a little bit of the engine. But those pictures are absolutely horrible. I mean, it literally looks like somebody had a toy camera from McDonald's from the 90s in their like shirt button, and they're trying to be as sneaky as possible so no one else can see what they're doing, because these are top secret, files that nobody can know about. And I mean, I hope this bike does well. I hope it comes out and the riders that they've got for the team are good, and that the bike is competitive, because having another factory squad racing supercross and motocross is never going to be a bad thing. It's more money, it's more rides for, different guys, privateers that probably, are just kind of on the bubble at the moment, which also helps the privateers below them getting onto, the little bit bigger of teams, or maybe some sponsors that have more money now to help them because these guys are on a factory squad, whatever. I hope this bike comes out, and I hope it's good, and I hope it's competitive, but God, they're blowing this PR so bad. When that came out like a month ago and everyone was all hyped to see it, like, oh, this is going to be cool, we're going to see, the Triumph bike, and it's going to be great, and then they just flopped it. I mean, let's be honest. If you have all this hype surrounding something and then you come out and just say, yeah, this is what you get, the frame sucks, I don't know. In the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think this bike's going to be? Competitive, not competitive, whatever it is. Are you excited for SMX? Whatever it is, comment down below. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.